So you guys, we're live on CoinMarketCap website. So these are the coins airdrops currently ongoing. We have Kaka NFT World, Kaka Unbound airdrop, UNB. We have a Weekcrypt, WNT, Total Finance, Trade. Number of winners. We have these are the upcoming airdrops. So for the first one, it's going to be giving it to about 166,000 persons, 667. The winners that are needed for other projects are about 2,100 and 2,000. So these are basically the upcoming airdrops. So for Kaka airdrop, it's going to be launching 17 minutes as of recording, November 17th. So you can jump on this project because it's very fresh. Then this NFT based airdrop for Unbound is going to be for 2,000 NFTs. So I think that's a whole lot of money, being that NFTs usually sell for crazy these days. But it's going to be kicking off on November 18th. So that's something you want to look out for. Then for WeCrypt, is they are giving out just 100 NFTs to 100 lucky winners. So it's going to be running for November 19th. That's when it's going to kick off. Then for Total Finance, it's going to be kicking off December 1st. So that's something you want to check out for. So guys, I hope you find this update helpful. I'll still be dropping updates on other ongoing airdrops on CoinMarketCap. So for this should be the list of upcoming CoinMarketCap exclusive crypto airdrops. The CoinMarketCap's airdrops, exclusive upcoming crypto airdrops listed for your ease. So you find your next cryptocurrency token or asset airdrop opportunity here. So guys, thanks for watching. Keys and peace out, guys.